Of course, I got the video on. Got it? Pull it my way. Okay. I got it. Don't hurt that because we need the bottom part. Yeah, I thought I'd do a little video while we're at it. Let's see, here's a new one. See the arrow? So you want to make sure that you got it going up. We're going to need some Teflon, some pipe dope. There's a rubber seal here. Don't lose that. Do not lose that. Alright. Let's see. I got a little extra dope on this. Oh, shoot. Really? They put solder on that. Oh, God. Hope that's not, doesn't mean something's wrong with this fitting.
Put plenty of tape on there.
No, I'm wondering if there was an issue. They cleaned it up and they put solder around it. Well, what we could do is just sweat this off. New male adapter. Yeah, the fact they have solder here all the way around here tells me that there might be a problem with this male adapter, so we're going to sweat it off. Go and clean that. I'll sweat this off. And a dry rag or a paper towel, wherever you can find. Hopefully you guys can see all right. I know it's not ideal with the light. Oops, try not to melt anything. Sweep some dust around here. Grab those chain locks. Yeah, there's a reason they soldered all the way around those threads. Probably had a little leak. They were like, oh no, we're not taking it all the way off. Get ready for this. Oh shoot. There we got solder on it. Nice. Yeah, solder good went directly in there. That's funny. It's one way to get it out though, isn't it? Blast it out. There it goes. Well, this side of the hell out of that. Am I? Yeah, doing this since '87. You know, when I first started out on this, it's kind of exciting. Learning a new trade and everything. My boss, he was the one that had to make all the decisions for the most part, so I had it pretty easy for like 10 years. And Then I started working for a plumbing company, and all the weight was on me. It was a little stressful, going all over town. Places I didn't want to even think about going before, all of a sudden I'm going to them. So then I started my own company, 2001, and it's not a boring job, I gotta admit that, but it's not exactly the most fun thing in the world. But somebody's gotta do it. It's in high demand, for sure. So I got a flux on there. Get our mail on there. Yeah, my favorite solder. Favorite one.
I got that.
Yep. And then a pincher. Probably have to pinch this a little bit. It's gonna try to pop off. Give it a little pinch while you're pulling up. I'm gonna solder that in. Yeah, I'm trying not to disturb that joint up above. I'm going to heat it down low. Let the heat kind of go up to it. We'll let this cool a little bit, and then get our Teflon on there and stuff. Should cool pretty quick. Got water dripping down it. Yes, this is a cold rag, water. Always good to wipe it. Anyway. So you want your tape going the way you're going to tighten. Remember that. Yeah, this is kind of a thin tape, that's why I went around so many times. Let me put a little pipe tube on it. This one's getting low. Pressure reducing valve. Uh-oh. Let's adjust this in. Last minute. So we're going to turn this all the way up anyway because they want at least 75 here. So we're going to go ahead and turn that up now. Plus we want the screw out of our way. Now I never bottom this all the way. I'll come back and tighten that. Yeah, if you feel like you touched or something, don't go that far, back up a little bit. Make sure your arrow's going the way the water's flowing up. That's a big one too. But we're still kind of close here. Gonna hit that stucco. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, sometimes it's so close to the wall we have to do this out of place and then solder it in. Every once in a while we get lucky on that. Yeah, you showed me that. So that's helpful.